So hello guys. In this chapter, pag-uusapan natin and tuturuan ko kayo guys paano i-solve tong gantong problem. This is from the IGCSE book na I sometimes send to group chats. It's like a practice questionnaire. It's like supplemental book. So let's talk about subsets. Subsets. Pag narinig niyo ba ang sets, ano yung naiisip niyo? Of course, there's elements, right? There's sets, yeah, groups, right? Groups. And there's, I would say, groups, subgroups, pwedeng divisions, and so on and so forth. Pero ngayon pag-usapan natin ang subsets. So subsets is a set subset is a set whose elements are all contained in another set. So let me write that. It's a set whose numbers are all contained in another set. So by the term subsets, it's inside, okay? It's inside of another set. Kumbaga, sabihin natin itong circle na to. And there's another circle there. So let's say this is set A and this is B. Subset B. Okay. So, if napag-aaralan nyo yung mga intersection sets and subsets, kasi kadalasan ganito yung topic dito eh. Pero, this is an example of a subset then. Because since the elements of B is also an element of A, I can say that this B is a subset of B. A pala. So I can say that B is a subset of A. Yeah. So, meron din tayong proper subsets. Pero ang pagkakaiba ng proper subsets sa subsets, that proper subsets dapat lahat ng every single element of a certain subset should also contain it in a master set. So kunwari, A is equal to B. So let's say A is equal to 5. Wait lang. Let's say A is equal to 5, 6, 7, 12. And B is equal to 6, 5, 8, sorry, mali pala. 6, 5, 7, and 12. So I can say that A is a proper subset of B because every single element of A is also an element of B. But I cannot say that they are equal because they are different. They cannot be equal. So let me erase this. So also, I forgot to talk about is that there's a formula in finding the subsets. So the formula for the number of subsets would be 2 squared n, where n is the number of elements. Handwriting is kind of number elements. So let's say I'll create an example. Let's say 213, right? So I wanna know the number of subsets. So what are the number of subsets? So first I wanna square it by the number of elements. So there is 3 elements here. So 1, 2, 3. So 2 square root of 3 or 2 cubed would be 8. So there would be a total of 8 subsets. So next, I'll create another example. Let's say 2, 14, 7, and 9. 8 na lang. So, same thing, pero the number of elements here is 4. So 2 square root of 4 is equal to how many is that? 16, if I'm right. Yeah, it's 2 square root of 16 is 16. 2 square root of 4 is 16. So there would be a total of 16 subsets. Or what we can say that 2, 14, 7, and 8 has a total of has 16 subsets. So let's move on. That's answer number 1. And also, there's another way how to answer this, but this is the listing method. Listing method is going to eat more of your time. That's why I just use that formula to know the number of subsets. But since the thing is, they're asking to list all the subsets of A, so yeah, we need to do it. So in order to list this, there's a thing what we call the listing method in subsets. So first, we need to list uh, a subset or a subset with 0 element, or basically an empty set, and a subset that contains the element. Okay, and since we have listed both of this, we can say there's 2 subsets. Or in a formula, you can do 2 square root of 1 is equal to 2. So 2 subsets. That's all you need to do. So next letter B. List all the subsets of A, B, and C. So since this is a longer one, I'll use the bottom part. Yeah, this one. So now let's list it for the letter B. So first, let's list step 1. List the subset with 0 elements. So that would be an empty subset. And step 2, list the subsets with 1 element. So that would be A, B, and C. Next, subsets with 2 elements. So say 2 elements na lang. Medyo mahaba kasi. And that would be AB, AC, and BC. Right. I'm right, yeah. Yeah, that's right. Sorry. And don't write BA. Why? Because it's equal to AB. They're basically the same thing. And next would be the 3 elements. Until makompleto nyo siya. So 3 elements naman. That would be A, B, and C. Yun yan. So after that, you can count it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So in order to double check that, we can use the formula kanina na ginamit na 2 square root the number of elements. So 2 square root of 3 is equal to 8. So I can say it's correct because we've done the listing method and at the same time we've done the formula. So I can say that ABC has a total of 8 subsets. I can say that. So next, let's move on to letter C. So letter C, gagamitin natin dito yung formula na binigay ko sa inyo guys kanina kung saan 2 to the square root of the number of elements. Number of elements, right? So since there is 4 elements, we're going to put 4 there. We're going to input 4. So the output would be 16, or the result is 16. So I can say that ABCD has a total of uh, 16 subsets. So that's all in this video, and maybe later I'll talk about a more clear version of what are sets and subsets and the symbols and so on and so forth. So bye bye guys.